Good morning, class 11 commerce students. Since last few days we were revising how to pass journal entries. We discussed three rules: personal account, number 2 real account, and number 3 nominal account. Now all these three rules will help us to record business transactions. As I told earlier also, as and when business transactions take place in a business, they are recorded in a book which is known as primary book. And the first primary book is journal. So this is the journal format. First column stands for date, particular, where we are going to write our journal entry. LF, leisure folio. Later on I will tell the meaning of this LF. Here we will write debit amount, here we will write credit amount. We are starting with the first illustration. The name of the sum is pass journal entry in books of CRM and Sons. I told earlier also, all entries we are passing in books of business, not in books of honor. Whenever you are passing entry, treat yourself, I am business. Do not treat yourself as I am honor. The first transaction here it is given is CRM started business with cash. CRM started business with cash. Business with cash of rupees 50,000. As I told earlier also, two things. Number one, cash of rupees 50,000, and another account is CRM. CRM is which account? Personal. Cash is real. So when CRM is starting business, he is introducing money in the business. We are business, so cash is coming. That's why our journal entry will be cash account debit to CRM's capital. Rupees 50,000. Debit amount will be written in front of debit and credit amount will be written in front of credit. CRM is personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So CRM is giver, वो दे रहा है पैसा, he is credited, and cash is real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, so cash is coming. What will be the relation? Being business started with cash. This is the first transaction, and this transaction is given on 1st January. We will write here 1st January. Now the second transaction is purchase goods for cash. Rupees 20,000. Again two things. What are those two things, sir? One is goods and another is cash. Goods is which account? Real, because it is not a name, it is our assets. It can't be nominal also, because in nominal only income and expense comes. This is real, and cash is also real. What is the rule of real? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So what is coming? Goods. And we are purchasing goods for good. When we purchase goods, we use the term purchase. So our entry is purchases account debit to cash account. Purchases account debit to cash. What is the amount of purchase? 20,000 rupees. And this entry is on 2nd Jan. We will be writing narration. Just I will speak. I will not write in every transaction, but you have to write being goods purchased in cash. This is the second entry. Third entry, purchase goods from Subhas. Rupees 12,000. So what are two things over here? Number one goods and number two Subhas. What is the main difference between this and this entry? This is cash purchase, नकद माल खरीदा है. This is credit purchase, उधार माल खरीदा है. Because here name of the party is given. तो सुभाष is which account? Personal, and goods is real. Real account, debit what comes in? What is coming to us? Goods. That's why purchases account debit to Subhas is personal. What is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. तो हुई सुभाष. सुभाष कौन है? गिवर है या रिसीवर है? गिवर है. That's why to Subhas account rupees 12,000, rupees 12,000. This entry is given on 4th Jan. 4th Jan. This column is going to remain vacant. No need to write anything. Narration being goods purchased from Subhas. Every entry must have one narration. Next entry 10 Jan. 10 January. Entry is paid purchase furniture for cash. Purchase furniture for cash. Rupees 6,000 rupees. So what are two things over here, sir? One is furniture, another is cash. Furniture is which account? Real. Cash is which account? Real. Both are real. What is the rule of real? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So what is our journal entry? Furniture account debit to cash account rupees 6,000, rupees 6,000. आप में से कोई ये भी पूछ सकता है सर, यहाँ कुछ परचेज किया था, हमने परचेज को डेबिट किया, यहाँ भी हम परचेज कर रहे हैं तो फर्नीचर को डेबिट क्यों किया? बिकॉज फर्नीचर इज आवर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. Whenever we will purchase fixed assets, we will be debiting that fixed assets, because fixed assets are purchased not for sale and goods is purchased for sale. जो चीज बेचने के लिए खरीदी जाती है वहाँ परचेज वर्ड आएगा, और जो चीज बेचने के लिए नहीं खरीदी जाती वहाँ एसेट्स का नाम आएगा. Being furniture purchased in cash. Next entry, dear, it is on 16 Jan. It is on 16 Jan. Entry is paid cash to Subhas. Paid cash to Subhas. Again, two things, sir. What are two things? Number one, cash. Another is Subhas. Cash is which account? Real, because it is our assets. Subhas is which account? Personal, because it is a name. What is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Sorry. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. तो पेड कैश टू सुभाष. Who is Subhas here? सुभाष कौन है? रिसीवर है, गिवर है? We are paying cash to Subhas. So it means Subhas is receiver. Subhas account debit. Whenever you are writing name, use the apostrophe s. Subhas account debit. What is going from our pocket? Cash to cash account. How much money we are paying? We are paying 8,000 rupees. We are paying 8,000 rupees. In this entry, goods was purchase of 12. फिर हम उसको 8 जारी क्यों दे रहे हैं? We have given only part amount. Remaining amount may be given in future. It keeps on going in each and every business. माल खरीदते हैं, कभी कम पैसा दे दिया, कभी ज़्यादा दे दिया. It keeps on going. Being cash paid to Subhas. Because cash is real account. And real account rule says that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here cash goes, cash is going. That's why it is credited. Being cash paid to Subhas. Next entry is on 17 Jan. Next entry is on 17 Jan. Entry is purchase. No, sorry, it was on 10. Now it is on 16. Purchase goods from Ravi for cash. Purchase goods from Ravi for cash. Rupees it is given 7,500. Now what are two things? Can you tell me, sir? The two things. Number one, it is goods, and another it is cash. You may ask question, sir, why not Ravi? Ravi क्यों नहीं लिया मैंने यहाँ पर? सर हमने गुड्स खरीदा है, और वो भी क्या खरीदा है? नकद. जब हमने गुड्स को नकद खरीद लिया है तो हमें पार्टी के नेम की जरूरत नहीं होती है. आप जब मार्केट में जाओगे, आप कोई चीज़ नकद खरीदोगे तो आप उससे नाम से क्या लेना अगर आप उसको कैश दे के आ रहे हो. अगर आप उसको कैश दे के आ रहे हो तो वो भी आपसे अपना नाम नहीं पूछेगा. दैट्स व्हाई इफ इट इज नॉट रिटन फॉर कैश देन वी डू इन नीड ऑफ नेम. तब हमें नाम की जरूरत है. तो वी आर परचेजिंग गुड्स. तो फॉर परचेज व्हाट इज टू बी डेबिटेड? परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू. What What is going from our pocket? Cash. 2 cash. 7,500. 7,500. Next entry is on 17. Purchase goods from Ravi. Purchase goods from Ravi. We have purchased goods from Ravi of rupees 5,000. Purchase goods from Ravi 5,000. Now here two things are, number one is goods and another is Ravi. Try to understand the difference between these two entries. This purchase was cash purchase because it is written very clearly for cash, and here it is not written for cash, that's why it is credit purchase. Though it is also purchase, so entry will remain same. Purchases account debit to, who is giver? Ravi. Ravi is which account? Personal account. And what is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. And who is Ravi? Ravi is giver. Last entry, paid rent. Paid rent. What is the amount of rent? 400 rupees. So when we say paid, paid means paid in cash. So one item is cash over here and another account is rent account. Now rent is which account? Real, personal, nominal. I hope it is nominal. Why it is nominal? Because it is not a name. ये किसी का नाम नहीं है. Can it be a real? I think no. Why? Because it is not an asset. That's why it is nominal only. Nominal account. What is the rule of nominal? Debit all the expenses and credit all the income. खर्चों को डेबिट करेंगे, इनकम को क्रेडिट करेंगे. तो यहाँ जो रेंट है वो हमारा इनकम है या एक्सपेंस है? वी आर पेइंग, हम दे रहे हैं. इफ वी आर पेइंग इट बिकम्स अवर एक्सपेंस. दैट्स व्हाई आवर एंट्री विल बी रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू व्हाट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम अस? कैश. तो टू कैश अकाउंट ₹400 and ₹400. So this was our first small sum, how to pass journal entry in journal format. Thank you very much.